How to fix a microphone not working on PC. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click the right mouse right here at the sound icon and then open up the sound settings. Right, in the sound settings you're gonna be able to see if there is a problem with your microphone. As you can see right here, my microphone is working. So if you don't, just go ahead and change the type of the microphone or the type of input in order to fix that problem. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to home, right, and then go ahead to the privacy. Another way of fixing that problem is by going to the right here, the left column, right, and scroll a little bit down, right, and you're gonna see app permissions and then click microphone. In the microphone, allow apps to access your microphone. If you haven't, that means that they will not have access to your microphone, and that probably the reason why you have that problem. And if you scroll a little bit down, you're gonna see the apps that you allowed to have microphone. And as you can see right here, one of the apps that I'm using is the screen rec or screen recording, and basically you're gonna be able to see right here which app that you allowed access to, right? And basically a browser or the app wasn't appearing here. That means that you need to actually give access to it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.